Keep them coming. Got the next one. Got the next one. Rolling steady now. Keep it tight on the end there. Almost done, boss. Looks real good. Solid work, everyone. Confirming the shipment now. Everything looks good on this end. All right, pull forward. Welcome to the facility. Check the density on these first ones.
Firm, good color. No soft spots here.
All right, let's start the line. Watch the sizing on line 3. We have too many oversize coming through. Okay, I'm adjusting the sensors now.
The conductivity levels are stable across all 5 stages.
Batch 45B is showing premium quality metrics. The bricks reading is 12.5%.
Looks good. We are within the acceptable range for quality standards.
All pumps are running at optimal capacity, Supervisor. Confirmed. The main storage intake is clear. Pressure is stable. Green light confirmed. Initiating flow sequence. Flow rate is stable at 500 liters per minute. Excellent. The tanks are filling as expected.
We're almost at the target volume. Keep an eye on the sensors. Confirmed. Everything looks stable.
According to the tablet, the efficiency is at 98%.
Excellent. Let's keep monitoring the cascade for aeration.
The fill rate is stable. We're showing a consistent temperature across all sensors. Advise Central Control that Phase 2 is complete.
The reading is confirmed at 90% capacity. Excellent. The flow remains steady.
The pressure differential is stable across all 12 conduits. We are clear to proceed past 60%.
Acknowledged. All systems are nominal. We just hit the mark. All readings are nominal and stable. Copy that. The system is responding as expected.
Flow rate reduced to 20%.
Volume confirmed. Final stage initiated.
The flow rate is stabilizing.
Valves are shut. Tank is full.
Excellent work, everyone.
Temperature is steady at 4 degrees Celsius. Volume is exactly 10,000 liters.
Quality assurance check passed. The juice is perfectly preserved.
The flow rate is stabilizing.
Valves are shut. Tank is full.
Excellent work, everyone.
temperature is steady at 4 degrees Celsius. Volume is exactly 10,000 liters.
Quality assurance check passed. The juice is perfectly preserved.
The diagnostic report looks perfect.
Verified the lubrication points as well. We are good to go.